So look at what we've got here today. Today after work, I got a phone call from the local FFL. That is actually gun runners, gun sales, or gun runners in Jupiter, Florida. Go support them. Give me a call saying, hey, your pistol has arrived. Come on in, and we'll do some paperwork and we'll get it right. So here we go. Arex Rec 01. This is the tactical version. All right. Look at that. Threaded barrel, 1/2x28, rail, front serration, suppressor height, front sights, suppressor height, rear sights. You got a plate right here. This is the slide release, slide catch, as well as the decocker, so we'll go ahead and do that. And then, so right there, ready? All right. You got a manual safety. That is ambidextrous. And an ambidextrous magazine release. It's hefty. It's solid. It's not like an all polymer, you know, like a polymer gun. It's solid. Come with 2 magazines. All right. Cleaning supplies. All right, safe, not a safe, a lock that I'm not gonna use. Looks like it comes with a whole bunch of plates. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's good, because... Alright, I'm going to take this off right here. And put on a plate that fits, I've got a hollow sun over there. And we'll mount that up. We'll put that on there. We'll put the, Streamlight. I think it's Streamlight. TLR 1 HL. And I got my suppressor, too. Ooh. Anyways. Palmetto Armory was selling this thing online for like a really good price. So I copped it. I got it, and I had it shipped to my local FFL, and couldn't help myself. So I look forward to shooting this thing this weekend, hopefully. And if I do, I'll get some videos of it. But I've always wanted a P226 or P229, whatever. I've always wanted a P22, whatever. You know, the older SIGs, but they're a little expensive, and I've heard really good things about this thing. So I saw it was on sale, and it had all these nice accoutrements, the freaking threaded barrel, the cut slide, and the special height sights. I'm like, man, I'll get that for $400. $400 new. I'm like, that's an easy decision. Oh, tough to get that right there. Yeah. Yep. All right.